Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video at Mower Homestead. Before we begin, if you guys would like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. So on the last video, as I mentioned, well, you can see all the rain we got, but my mower here broke a belt. So right now I'm in the process of just trying to find some numbers off of it. And as soon as Lindy and the kids get here, I think we're going to try to make a trip to Claremore and see if we can beat it before they close and try to get a belt for this thing, because we got 80 degree temperatures coming after all this rain, and the yard already needs mowed now. You can kind of tell it's a lot taller than I would like it to be. So I'm just looking for some numbers now. We're gonna do a little feeding, and we got a baby update for you today. And then also I believe we're going to paint the wind chimes tonight. So that's what we'll be doing today. Make sure you guys stick around. Let's get started. Alrighty, well, I got stuff all over me, but I'm pretty sure I figured out how it goes, all that, and I wanted to make sure that none of the pulleys were messed up, that the belt literally just broke because of fatigue of the belt and not because of issues with the pulley or something like that, like something locked up. You guys know what I'm saying. So all of these seem to be functioning properly, so the belt just wore out, I guess, so that's good news. I'd rather just have to buy a belt rather than a spindle or a pulley or more springs or something like that. So we're in good shape. Now we just got to make it there before they close. And also, probably gonna have to get some rib crib when we go to Claremore, because you can't go to Claremore without rib crib. So, but here's the belt. I'll show you guys again. Some of you guys may not have seen that video, but here it is. You can see it just broke. So I'm going to go ahead and throw it in the back of the truck, and hopefully when Lindy gets here, we'll do that real quick, come back, do those wind chimes, and be good to go. Alrighty, well, we just made it in from Claremore, got our rib crib fix on. They didn't have the exact same size. I needed a 153.5 by 5/8, and all they had was a 154 by 5/8 or a 153 by 5/8. So I got the 153. I don't think it'll be too tight that it'll mess up my bearings, but I got this because I figured it would stretch a little bit anyways. So we're gonna go with this. So let's do it. So I have the 3-blade, so I will do it like that. I'll put it on the back one first.
Go, Daddy, go.
So I think I found the culprit. Look right here inside this pulley.
I went to the bathroom, Daddy.
Sure. See that? Wedged in there. I guarantee that's what snapped it. It is in there so tight too. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver and pry it out. Got it. Here you go. It looks like it was been up there for a while. It's kind of sanded that edge down there and got it all smoothed.
Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Well, can I keep it?
Okay.
Daddy.
All right. Now, I need to get this guy.
Daddy.
There we go.
I stand on one mower. Just stand on this. Yep.
Interesting.
Throw it.
Great.
I'm going to throw it into the animal pen.
Well, you can see behind me here, I was able to get it on, and it's actually loosened up quite a bit, so I'm glad I went with the 153 instead of the 154. I was able to get this part mowed right here, but it is still so stinking wet. So, which I don't know if you can tell, I got just wet grass all over the place. So I'm gonna hold off on try to cut some more tomorrow, but it's been over a week now waiting on this belt that we haven't got to mow with the rain and the rain and the rain and the rain and the rain. So that part up there really needs it, but it's gonna have to wait a little longer. I'm gonna put these covers back on, then we're gonna go in and give you a baby update and paint some wind chimes. Hope you guys are excited. Let's get it on. All right, so we made it inside. Lindy is not feeling well. She is in bed. So baby update is coming from me. Hopefully I get all this right. If not, I'm sure she'll correct it in the comments below. But, so she went in yesterday. Yesterday, yes, that's correct. And she's been having contractions, like I said in the last video. So she was gonna go ahead and get checked out because she wasn't sure what was going on. Anyways, fast forward till yesterday. She went in, got checked. She was only at a 1, but the doctor did feel the baby when she was getting checked. So definitely, even though she's at a 1, the baby's there. Just pretty much any time, I would say, ready to come on out. So we're excited. Be in prayer for us and Lindy, because her backs and hips and everything just killing her. Definitely the roughest pregnancy that she's had by far out of the 3 now. She did verify on the way back from dinner today that she is 100% never having another baby. So we'll see about that. Anyways, we're gonna get these wind chimes undone here, right there from Margie. We're gonna get them painted up and see what they look like. So, you kiddos ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna open it.
You ready?
Yeah. You want me to now?
Yeah, open it up.
Let's see what we got to do this. Okay.
Okay. There's one, there's the other. Oh, there's more than one?
Yeah.
There's multiple. Oh, okay, I see how you do it.
Huh.
I actually think it's just one wind chime, so you guys are gonna have to share. Let's see. Here it is.
We don't need these things. Yes, we do. We don't need this.
We don't need instructions?
No.
Why not?
We don't need instructions.
Men don't need instructions?
Yeah.
We might just glance at them, huh, Sissy?
Just need these. So do we put this here? Oh, this here. And
one. Oh, these are for the, gotcha. 2. You all right, bro?
stop, Hunter. It's in the video. Okay, let's see how we do this, man. Everything red and yellow.
Hey, Hunter. Actually, you want to try?
Yep.
I'm going to be putting a little flags on mine, so I'm going to need those flags. I might need that one in a minute.
All these colors.
I want red and yellow. This one yellow and this one red. Dip this in there first.
Probably. I'll open up all your colors.
Okay, because I'm going to need black flags.
So what color are you kiddos gonna do?
This one red and this one
Oh,
yellow.
man.
Red, die. I'm gonna pick this one red and this one yellow. We're Chiefs. Patrick Mahomes, Tyreek Hill.
Patrick Mahomes and Tyreek Hill?
Tyreek Hill got yellow, Mahomes
Who's
got
that?
red. Tyreek Hill. He's number 10 of Chiefs. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
It's turning out better than I thought it would.
Turned out better?
It's Biggie.
Yeah, big.
Another one.
Paint myself. Yep.
Keep right. Hold on. Oh, you getting more red? You don't have to rinse it off if you're getting the same color. Hunter, and remember, this is for Mama for Mother's Day, so you have to make something mommy on it, okay?
But my name says she
Okay.
knows it's from me.
Okay. Huh? This ain't just about Chiefs football. Is it, Sissy?
I don't care. Just paint it red and yellow.
Then we'll let it dry, then put Mom over it.
That's pretty, Sissy. Nice little heart there. Does it say Mom on the other side?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you're gonna get red on that if you ain't careful. You gotta keep that on your table there. Probably should have started at the bottom. Painted the bottom first and then worked your way to the top, you think?
This is the top. It's the bottom.
Nope, it hangs like this.
And
Concentrating, bud. All right, guys, kids are painting away. We will check back in with y'all just as soon as I get done, and we'll show you the finished product. Probably won't get them hung up tonight. That'll be in another video, but we'll let you see what they look like, so stay tuned. Alrighty, well, we got these done. I had to help them a little bit, but Hallie's is really pretty. Stuck to it. It's pink, purple top, and it says Hallie on one side, star, mom, and then heart. Right there on both of those. So that's really pretty. And Hunter's, this one is blue, yellow, green's got a little bit of everything. And it's got stars and hearts, and it says, I love you, the heart. And then this one says #1 mom on it.
green and red.
So what do you think about that?
Cool. Do you show them that?
Mm-hmm.
Star
Sissy
heart?
don't feel good, so she's laying right there. I had to finish her pink around there a little bit. But alrighty, well, we went ahead and finished the wind chimes, and we'll show you what they look like. What do you think? What's yours say, Sissy?
Hallie, star, Mom, heart.
What's yours say?
#1 mom.
And I love you upside down?
Yeah, and it's heart star, heart star.
Oh, cool. Think Mama likes them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, can you guys tell Margie thank you so much?
Thank you, Margie.
Thank you, Margie.
So did you like making them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sissy, that's right up your alley, huh? You love arts and crafts, don't you?
I can hang this right on the door.
We'll hang it. Hey, we'll hang it on the porch, and then when the wind blows, we'll be able to hear those little. You hear it right there. When the wind blows, that's what it's for. It'll make those little noises.
Wait.
Is it windy outside?
All right, guys. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
So that's all we got on today's video. You got to see us paint those. We got the brain, toot, the lawnmower fixed. Able to do a little mowing with it. Got these done. Next time you'll see us hanging these, and it'll probably be on the giveaway video. Be coming up this weekend. So if you guys have not entered, go check out that video with Dutch, the trot lining video, and make sure you enter that giveaway. What's up, bud?
I'll have the shirt on.
Oh, show me your muscles. Goodness.
Oh!
All right, guys, so we got on today's video. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you guys haven't subscribed to our channel yet at Mower Homestead, please subscribe and ring that notification bell. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Until next time.
Bye.
God bless.